Hello everyone. The event of my presentation is 2020 DingTalk Planning for Mercy. I will complete my presentation through the following parts. Now we come to the organizational background. DingTalk is an enterprise magazine app from China's Alibaba Group. It is available in multiple languages and supports various operating systems. Users will not be charged for most of its features. On August 27th, 2019, DingTalk CEO Chen Heng announced that DingTalk has more than 2 million individual users and more than 10 million enterprise organizations. Now we come to details of the crisis. With the outbreak of COVID-19 in early 2020, most enterprises in China shut down or work at home. Schools delayed the opening of class and online teaching was adopted. Online educational marketing dividends appeared, brings new business and users expansion opportunities to DingTalk, an intelligent mobile office platform with strength and reputation. It is a mobile office software and an online teaching platform, but the move has turned off new users, such as students who are accustomed to offline teaching and have yet to accept online course and online clocking. Students want their negative emotions, such as not wanting to attend class and excluding constraints to DingTalk, which immediately set off an irrational group panel of tracking based on game psychological and emotions on the social platform and spread through the network to experience and affect each other among the students' circles, forming a public opinion turn of group boycott DingTalk. As a result, DingTalk's scores in the app stores has dropped from 1.3 to 0, and the scores say DingTalk may be focused first to removed to the app stores because of the zero scores. On February 16th, DingTalk posted a video pleading for mercy on Bilibili, asking users to show compassion and even calling users fathers. On February 18th, 2020, DingTalk's video was played 12.68 million times on Weibo and 8.611 million on Bilibili. DingTalk's app store scores also recovered to 2.1, successfully avoiding the danger of being taken down. Now we come to the timing, spoken person, and channels. First, the resties react to the press immediately, responding quickly after it's broken out. On February 16th, the video was released with a Bilibili. The action was immediately and effective, preventing the situation from deteriorating. For a spoken person in this crisis, spoken person is not just DingTalk's official. There are also other banners under Alibaba, such as Taobao, Alipay, Tmall, and so on. Their message is the same: to help restore DingTalk's reputation. DingTalk is also a banner owned by Alibaba, so it is also suitable. For the choice of communication channels, the main body of the crisis is students and young people. DingTalk chose Weibo, TikTok, and Bilibili, which are popular with young users and to target the target. Now we come to the strategy analysis. Generally speaking, DingTalk combines the diminishment of communication strategy in crisis management with first training in order to lessen the negative impact and lessen the responsibility of organization through the ingenious use of new media. The whole can be divided into 3 steps. First of all, in deep instead into the target audience, accurately reach new users. In this crisis public relation event, DingTalk had a deep insight into the psychological and usage habit of the audience post 00S and communicate with them more promptly, such as begging for mercy emotions with the help of the self-made video. It sounds good when being up as the communication lever, and the public begging for mercy communication as the feature. DingTalk released the video online begging for mercy, calling the users that creates in line with DingTalk IP Dingsanduo cartoon image presentation and soon narrow the distance between the post 00. Many netizens had with the wait and see attitude join the canoe. Regarding communication critically, they first are asking for forgiveness, creating to young people's interests and hobbies, and narrowing the distance with users. Regarding communication channels, they first on the most friendly communicators of the post-00S, such as Weibo, Bilibili, and TikTok, break through the restrictions of interest circles, go deep into the context of students' parties, and create the two-dimensional Vera IP image that students like. Establish a standard discover system with the audience so that Many young audiences in Bilibili have more robust recognition and trust in TikTok, accurately reach new young users, and complete the first step of fan image reconstruction. The second step joined force to create topic integrated marketing secondary communication. After the crash broke out, TikTok summoned all Ali banners behind it to appear together. Taobao, Tmall, Alipay, Alphabet, Hema, and other Ali backed for TikTok's life through Weibo by taking advantage of the strong influence of Ali's deeply rooted Blue V brand. TikTok decreed and the platform an adorable creative play and create out warm emotion expression through the personalized brand IP image. It successfully breaks through the one-way communication mode and uses the thinking of integration marketing communication to promote the viral spread of topic on social platform, occupy the tag of traffic for a time secondary contact to increase banner exposure and native faces interactive communication not only reflects the banner's image in user sets, but also enhance the product goodwill, completing the second step of brand image reconstruction. The third step, based on the long-term value of the brand, is to create a personalized new label. On February 16, 2020, TikTok responds to the crash with the video TikTok's Begging for Mercy, which became a landmark event in its complete transformation. Previously, TikTok's long-mentioned official business style did not appeal to young users. However, in this crash, TikTok successfully seized the opportunity of high public opinion attention as an opportunity for transformation. Centering on TikTok's cartoon image, TikTok continued to deepen its social platform for young people, continued its signature to denominational style from imitating popular videos to creating its IP, consistently infiltrated the young and exciting brand video to users, trying new forms based on users and mentioned a long tail effort of public opinion attention, continuous accumulation of view heat and aggregation forms a strong communication effect to find the correct presenting of create a new animate image label. Sincere response in the face of crisis is the key to solving problem. Looking back at the whole process of TikTok begging for mercy in the face of crisis public relations, TikTok accurately presented the characteristics of young audience and choose to put the self-deprecation video on the social platform and lead the official series of banners to respond the question together. For the first time, TikTok issued a low-profile apology for planning for mercy on all major platforms, which solved the crisis, increased the banner's popularity, and gained young users. Candid and timely feedback, finding the target of communication, the correct choice of channels and methods to win sympathy under the chaos of public opinion waves, win back credibility. And second, the crash is also an excellent opportunity to rebuild the brand image. And the group victory is also a wave of transformation. Throughout the TikTok event, it is a Joe group victory, which is hidden behind the brand's natural and unique impression and feelings of users. In the face of a crisis, the server refutation of traditional media cannot necessarily turn the situation around. From the perspective of the communication environment of new media, the more controversial it is, the more eye-catching it is. The practice of humble begging for mercy and obeying public opinion reduce the brand industry. Still, it can quickly reverse public opinion, gain the attention of variable renting for of young audience, and finally benefit the brand from price event. That's all from my presentation. Thank you.